Hi everybody. In a previous class, you learned about fractions and operations on the fractions. Means addition of the fractions, subtraction of the fractions, multiplication of the fractions, and division of the fractions. So now IIT every period it will change its topic. Means there's no continuity. So now today's topic is decimal numbers. What? Decimal numbers. What is the meaning of the decimal? So here I think everybody you know. Suppose if I write 1, it's a number 1. So 1 is a whole number. So suppose one chocolate is there, we want to eat 2 members. So if we do half means if we divide that one into 2 parts. So now we'll get a decimal number. How? I'll show you. Suppose here the downside denominator is 2, but to get the decimal means to write the decimal number in the easiest way, if the denominator is a multiple of the 10 with 10 or multiple of the 10, any one, then we can write very easily. See, now I am writing this 1 by 2 into 5 into 5, because if I multiply the 2 by 5 then I will get the 10. So that's why I used the 5 table. Now it's 5 by 10. So 10 means we can write that one is 0.5. Some people they may write as like also see 2. Suppose it won't go, so then decimal, so then you can keep here the 0. 2 5 is 10. In this method you may get the confused, but if you means denominator, if you are able to write in the form of the 10 or the 10 multiples, then you can write the decimal number in a easiest way. Here I taken some examples. So in the first column, so I taken denominator as a 10, in the second column denominator is 100, and a third column denominator is 1000. I want to write this answers. Means I want to convert that 1 by 10 in a decimal number. See, here the logic is we can write 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5. How I am writing? So I will show here. Suppose if you are taking 10, 4 it won't go, so keep it 0. So then 4 it will. So 4 is less than 10. So then I can take the decimal, then it is a 0. 10 4s 40. Got an idea? So here 1 by 100. So answer is 0.01. It's 0.02. It's a 0.03, it's a 0.04, it's a 0.05. How we are getting this? Once we will check it. See, I am taking a second one here, 100, 2. See, divisor is greater than the dividend. So 0, so 2. So decimal, I can get only 1 0. But even after keeping the 0 also, then this dividend is less than the divisor. So then I am taking here the one more 0 here. So now 100 2's 200. So by that technique I wrote directly this all. In the same way, here the 3 zeros are there, means we'll get 0.001, 0.002, 0.003, 0.004, 0.005. Just by the technique we can write as like. So these all are called decimal numbers. These are all called decimal numbers. I wrote up to the 5, means 5 by 10 and 5 by 100 and 5 by 1000. For you 6 by 10 to the 10 by 10 as homework. Similarly, that 6 by 100 to 10 by 100, 6 by 1000 to 10 by 1000. We cannot get the denominator as 10 and 100 in all the cases. So sometimes we may get see 1 by 4, 1 by 5. So now what we want to do? To convert into the decimal number, see the 4. Suppose if I multiply by 25, then the denominator will become a 100. Upside 1 into 25, 25. So now see 2 zeros are there. The decimal place will come after the 2 digits. So here answer is 0.25. Here 1 by 5. So what I want to do? So I want to make it the downside denominator as a 100. Otherwise a 10. Here the possibility is there for the 10. So 10 are the 10 multiples. So now I am writing 2 by 10. So decimal after the 1 digit from the right side. So 0.2. Next topic is a expanded form. This one you are learning from the 5th class onwards. So I no need to go for the depth. So just a general view. Here I taken that 157.98. So everybody must and should remember that after the decimal point, so you should read you should not 9 and 8 as like, you should not read as like 98. If you read the 98, it is entirely wrong. So 157.98 means individual digits you want to pronounce. So first we want to arrange this one in a place value chart. So here 157 means, see, 1 means hundreds, 57.98. As you know all, see decimal afterwards position is 10th, next one is 100th, next one is 1000th. So decimal before is 1, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, it's to go on as like. So I wrote for this problem here. So by this we can write here, we want to expand this number. So first one is, so 100 plus 50 plus 7 plus, see it's a 0.9 plus 0.08. So we can write here, this one is 100 plus 50 plus 7 plus, this is 9 by 10. Instead of decimal 1, after the decimal point 1 digit is there, we can write the 10 plus. In the same way, see decimal means 1, decimal afterwards 2 digits are there, that is 0 and 8. So here the 2 zeros. So this is a expanded form. So some people they may write this one in another method also. See as like, see 1 into 100 plus 5 into 10 plus 7 into 1 plus 9 into 1 by 10 plus 8 into 1 by 100. I think you know this. Next problem is, see, comparison of the decimal numbers. I think you know everybody less than greater than symbol will use for the comparison of the general terms. Here also same thing will apply for the decimal also. Here they given the question as like 15.87, 15.86. Which of the two is greater? So here one technique is there. Instead of going for the each digit, I am writing as like, see it is in a tens digit. First number is 1 5, decimal number, decimal only. So next 1 5 and decimal 8 6. Same here 1 and 1 same. So we want to go for the next ones digit. So 5 5, same. So next decimal, see decimal here, decimal is also here. Next one is a 8, here also 8. Here it is a 7, here it is a 6. 7 is a greater 1. So we can write as like, so 15.87 is greater than 15.86. So this much easy problem they won't ask. So once I'll go for the IIT questions. Arrange the following decimal number in the ascending order. So they given here 0.52314, 0.52313, 0.52201, 0.52321. So for this first we'll do the rough work. See, first I'll write all the numbers. See 0. 10th place is 5, 2, 3, 1, 4. 0.52313, 0.52201, 0.52321. Dear children, once you observe here I did not keep any 1, 2, 3 means first number, second number, but once we will compare. See, in all the 10th digit 5 is there. See, here 5, 5, 5, 5 means all are equal. In the second also 2, 2, 2, 2. See, next one is 3, 3, 2, 1 means ascending order, means small to largest one. So now this one becomes 1 because it's a 2. So next one is, see here the 3, 3, all are 3. So next digit, here it is a 1, 1, 0 and 2. So already this number is completed. So we want to check it for only this 3. In that 3, 1, 3, 1, here 3, 2, 3, 2 means big one, 3, 1, here it have the both numbers. So 1. In that we want to go for the next one. See, next digit is here the 4, here the 3. So 3 is a lesser one, so I am keeping it's a 2. And this one is a 3. And the next one is a 4. So we can write ascending order. First one is 0.52201. Next one is 0.52313. Next one is 0.52314. The next one is, next number I am writing down, say 0.52321. This is a technique for the writing ascending order. You can write for the descending in a reverse way. Means larger to the smaller if you are writing, then there is a descending order. Next one is addition of decimals. So by hearing the addition, everybody you will feel very happy because addition is very easy. Yeah. So once we will check it for this decimal numbers. But while we are writing, this means while we are writing the numbers, if you are taking little bit care, okay, then you will get the answer correct. Otherwise, entire you will get the wrong answer. So for that, I wrote the technique here. So once everybody observe here, see by seeing the question as a 25.370 and 0.7589. Okay. So decimal before the 2 digits is there, decimal afterwards is a 4 digits is there. So in that case I wrote here, see decimal before the ones tens I wrote, and decimal afterwards tenth, hundredth, thousands and 10,000s I wrote. So now I am writing here the number that is 25 because I want to add decimal. See 3, 7, here 0. And next one is 0 point. 0 point means we cannot write here. 0 point means 0. 0 is in a units place. So we should write here 0 point. So 7, 5, 8, 9. So then we want to go for the addition symbol. Plus. See here some digits are missing. Means no number is there. Can I keep here the 0? If I keep the 0, there is no problem. And before here also I can keep the 0. Now I am going for the addition. Addition, from where we will start? We will start from the right side or the left side? Children, we will start the addition from the right side. See here. Here too means right side to left side will come. Okay. So now here 0 plus 9 is 9. 0 plus 8 is 8. 7 plus 5 is 12. Upside 1. So 10 plus 1 is 11. So next one is here upside. So 1 plus 5 is 6 and 2 plus 0 is 0 and decimal as it is. So answer is 26.1289. Got an idea? I think everybody got an idea about doing addition. I'll give homework based on different logic. Subtraction of the decimal. Here one example I am taking, which is the previous one only. That's a 25.37 minus 0.7589. So I wrote what is there already. So here what we want to take? Subtract. Subtract means you know na? What is the meaning of subtraction? So you want to take out from the larger to smaller. See here I wrote all digits which are empty places that I filled with zeros. So now see 0 minus 9. Is it possible? Is it possible? So beside the 0 is there. So I cannot borrow from the beside. So I am taking from the here 7. So here it's 10. Here it is 9. So here it becomes 6. Suppose you want to know the what is the why we are taking this 10 9 that you want to know means you can follow my channel, then you will get an idea. See 10 minus 9 is 1. Nine minus 8 is 1. 6 minus 5 is 1. 3 minus 7 not possible. So then I am taking borrow from this. If I take borrow here, it's 4 and it's carry. 10 plus 3, 13. So 13 minus 7 is 6 and the decimal. So 4 minus 0 is 4 and 2 minus 0 is 2. Answer is 24.61111. Okay, next one is the multiplication of the decimals. Means decimal number multiplication. As you know, general multiplication. Now I will go for the general multiplication first. So 0.2. So 0.3, which is into. So here we'll go from the right side to left digits. So 2 3s are 6. So 2 3 zeros are 0. 0 2s are 0. 0 zeros are 0. So then it's a 6. It's a 0. It's a 0. See here the decimal point is 1. Here the decimal point is 1. Total together is how much? Here the decimal point is 2. 2, which side? Arrow mark this side. Means we want to move this side. So decimal point after the 2 digits. 1, 2 here. It's one method. Another method is also there. See 0.2 into 0.3. So we can write this one 2 by 10 and this one 3 by 10. See multiplication I explained in the previous class. So numerator only, denominator only. So now it becomes 6 by 100. So as you know that if it comes the downside 100, then we can write as like 0.06. See both side we got the same answer. Got an idea? As like you can do for the 3-digit number also, 4-digit number also, 5-digit number also. That's depend upon situation. Here I given a homework. 2 problems addition, 2 problems subtraction, and 2 problems multiplication. Do in your class notes. Thank you.